Hello, myself Dr. Sharda Devre, Associate Professor, Government College of Pharmacy, Amravati. Our institute had started a national campaign on Tinospora cordifolia Amrita for Life in 2020, which is sponsored by National Medicinal Plant Board, NMPB, Ministry of Ayush, Delhi, India. Under this campaign, we have distributed more than 2,000 free samplings of giloy to the students, various institutes, government, non-government institutes, NGOs, societies, home gardens, schools. And the reason behind that, we want to make aware through the objectives of the NMPB to the population about the traditionally important medicinal plant that is a giloy. We have taken the another activities also, और ये जो भी एक्टिविटीज टिनोस्पोरा कॉर्डिफोलिया अमृता फॉर लाइफ की नेशनल कैंपेन के लिए हमने ली है, उनका सबका ऑब्जेक्टिव यही है कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक टिनोस्पोरा कॉर्डिफोलिया गिलोय गुड़वेल के उपयोग पहुंचा सके, उसका प्रचार और उसका उपयोग का प्रयास कर सके। और उसके बाद जो इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट आता है कि उसी गिलोय को, मेडिसिनल प्लांट को, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एम्पावरमेंट के लिए भी यूटिलाइज कर सके, क्योंकि जो ट्राइबल वुमेन और फार्मर्स हैं उनके लिए बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल इनकम के एवेन्यूज हैं, और उनके लिए कुछ मॉडर्न विथ ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज बेस्ड अगर एक्स्ट्रा इनकम एवेन्यूज मिलते हैं तो वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है इंडिया की इकोनॉमी के लिए और इन लोगों की सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एम्पावरमेंट के लिए। तो जो भी गिलोय मार्केट में आती है अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स बनने के लिए, इधर उसके सत्व चूर्ण या उसके अलग अलग क्वाथा अरिष्टा, तो उनके लिए वो गिलोय वाइल्ड सोर्सेस से आती है, और अगर हम उसको कल्टीवेट नहीं करेंगे तो वाइल्ड सोर्सेस एक्सटिंक्ट होने के चांसेस है. So that's why cultivation need to be taken into consideration. Then value addition of this giloy is also must, because it has been observed that कि जो बेस्ड ऑन आयुर्वेदा हम देखते हैं उसके जो फ्रेश स्टेम्स या ड्राई स्टेम्स को गिलोय के यूज करते हैं, तो उसके साथ अगर हम अलग अलग कंज्यूमर के डिमांड के हिसाब से उन प्रोडक्ट्स को बना सकते हो जो कंज्यूमर को अट्रैक्ट कर सके, ऐसे वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स भी सोशियो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट के लिए या वुमन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए, फार्मर एम्पावरमेंट के लिए, ट्राइबल पीपल की एम्पावरमेंट के लिए रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं. एंड फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू we can understand that why there is a demand of the giloy products. Giloy is the traditionally well known immunity booster, not only in India, in many parts of the world. And why this is so? Because in the stem or in the roots, leaves, fruits and flowers, there are various types of the chemicals present, and these chemicals are responsible for the various types of the therapeutic benefits, especially anti-diabetic, immunomodulator, wound healing, anti-arthritic, anti-inflammatory. Even it is found to be very useful in the osteoporosis. It is having antimicrobial, antiviral properties, and overall it is adaptogenic. It is rasayana in Ayurvedic texts, and it has been found that there is a spike in the sales of the giloy products, that is a threefold spike after COVID-19 pandemic, because in COVID-19 we have seen that there is a need of immunity boosters, and immunity enhancement, it is not at all a hoax. Because whatever we eat or whatever our lifestyle, whatever the medicines we are taking, that really affects to our immunity, and hence taken into consideration we always should give attention to the traditional medicine practices, and under that the medicinal products and especially the giloy. There are various giloy traditional products like sattva, which means the water decoction, churna means which like the powder, kwatha means again the decoction, arishta means alcoholic preparation, amrita gugulu or taila, churna, vati, again the kishore gugulu, rasna panchak, kwatha. So these are the various products, and we can sell it in a fresh cuttings form or dry cuttings form or in the powder form also. We have seen in 2-3 webinars, even our Ayurvedic doctors also discuss that how these Giloy products are useful in immunity enhancement or for primary health care. But more products are needed for the various age groups, suppose for children or for age old people, जिनको हम अट्रैक्ट कर सके इस गिलोय को कंज्यूम करने के लिए. तो उसके लिए आप ड्रॉप्स या कॉन्सेंट्रेट्स या कैंडीज या पिकल्स सॉसेस बना सकते हो. दैट कैन बी सेम लाइक दैट ऑफ द वेरियस जिनसेंग प्रोडक्ट्स इन कोरिया और जापान और चाइना, and similarly we can follow it for the giloy. So there is a lot market potential of the giloy when we compare it with the various types of the immunomodulators or pharmaceuticals, and that is for the various types of the disease conditions, especially the HIV or respiratory systems like the tuberculosis, or where there is a certain type of the immunity change, or there is immunosuppression during the particular type of the diseases or in malnourished patients, then this particular giloy can be utilized. In previous 2-3 webinars also we have discussed that there is a need of startups who can who can make the group of the tribal people or farmer or women, and can concentrate on the collection of the giloy as well as the cultivation of the giloy and preparation of its different value added products depending upon the market of the various countries. Well analyzed, well quality control products always have the demand, and this type of the attention can also be taken into consideration by the young population, students or young teachers, so that they can create the extra income avenues to the tribal farmer or women, and thus the NMPB's objective means whatever the objectives of this national campaign can be get fulfilled through the involvement of all of us. We Government College of Pharmacy Amravati Maharashtra are trying our best to make aware society about its utilization and about its value added product development. But those who are watching this webinar also can pass this knowledge to the tribal people, to the women or to the farmers. आप किसानों को बताइए, आप महिलाओं को बताइए, उनके बचत मतलब जो उनके समूह रहते हैं महिलाओं के, उनको बताइए, तो उनसे कुछ इस तरीके के प्रोडक्ट्स या इस तरीके के अलग अलग मार्केटेड प्रोडक्ट्स बन सकते हैं, और उसकी उनको एक एक्स्ट्रा इनकम मिल सकती है, और उससे जो ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज है, मेडिसिनल नॉलेज है, उसका प्रचार हो सकता है, हर घर गिलोय का नॉलेज जा सकता है. ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट्स लगाने की जगह या ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट्स को घर में एक जगह देने की जगह अगर हम मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स को भी एज अ ऑर्नामेंटल और एज अ फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ नॉलेज दैट नीड टू बी गेट पास टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशंस, अगर हम ये ध्यान में रखें तो 100% उसका कुछ ना कुछ तो इफेक्ट हमें आगे दिखेगा. एंड ऑल द मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स दोज आर noted in the Ayurvedic, Unani or Siddha systems that have surely the benefits because of thousands of evidences are there. Nowadays there is the branch that is evidence based medicines, and this is actually we have with us. We should pass this knowledge to our generations, we should pass this knowledge to those who are in need, and we should make them aware that yes, there is a too much market demand, or for market demand cultivation is must, value added production is must by the various groups. So thank you. Hope from this webinar of those who are watching or those who will watch will start a Giloy startup for the various types of the product development. Thank you on the behalf of Government College of Pharmacy Amravati. Thank you.